What's going on, guys? Nate here. Welcome back to a brand new video. First of all, I want to shout out to Tech Tegra for having me on his channel. Thank you, dude. Welcome to a video on how to vlog. So basically, I'm making a video to teach you guys what it's like to vlog day in and day out. And first, I'm going to show you guys my setup back here, and then eventually my camera rig, what I use to film and shoot all my vlogs. And then we're going to hop into a vlog, and I'm sort of going to give you a tutorial on how to vlog and do different things to make your videos better. Let's hop right into my setup, and I'll show you guys that first and let you guys know all about what I use on a daily basis. So this is my setup. Basically, I have a late 2015 MacBook Pro, and this desk, since it's moving down, it's actually a sit-stand desk that I picked up from Autonomous, and it was basically 300 bucks, super cheap, super easy to use and install, and it's a sit-stand desk. I have a BenQ monitor. It's 27 inches. It's basically easier to use both of these monitors for video editing, whether it's in Final Cut, Premiere Pro, doing my video thumbnails in Lightroom, whatever it is. Super simple, super easy. I have the Apple wireless keyboard that I use all the time. My Magic Mouse, use that one too. Usually keep a couple essentials like my blender bottle, my gallon, and I have this Alex, I think it's called the Alex monitor stand. It's really meant for monitors. People use them all the time in their desk setup, so I picked up one of those a while ago when I got this desk. I have a little bit of an LED strip behind my desk so I can change the colors on all of those. These drawers which hold different things tech-wise, and basically this is it. This is my setup. Super easy, super simple. This desk will rise as I get up, and then we can just do that and it'll slowly rise up like that. So pretty sweet, super simple, super easy to use. That is my setup. Now let's hop into my camera gear. And also I have this thing over here. It's a Lifx light bulb. It's pretty sweet. So basically when I'm vlogging, this is the setup I have. I have the Canon 70D, which is my body, shoots 1080p, really good quality, really decent photos for the camera. And then I have a 10 to 18 millimeter, so it's super wide when I'm holding it out here. I have the Rode Video Micro, which was 50 bucks, super cheap, easy to use mic, which is linking into here into my microphone. And then of course my GorillaPod, which is what I can use to hold out my camera like this and get a little bit of a wider, because if I'm holding the camera with my lens, it's about this wide, and then when I'm holding it out, you can get a bigger, better picture. A little bit heavy, but you got to get those guns so you can hold it up. That is my setup. I use it all the time for my vlogs. So yeah guys, that is my setup. I have the camera setup, which is right here, and then I have my whole desk. I love this desk because of the sit-standing feature, and the LED strip is enough for me. But yeah, basically that is my tech setup, my setup for my desk, and then my camera setup. Remember guys, when you are vlogging, you do not need a super good camera. This is what I just had, and I've been into photography and videography for about a year. So once you start getting into it and you start doing it professionally, it pays to have good gear. But you don't need it to start out. You don't even need good cameras to make good vlogs. Remember, Casey Neistat filmed his first motion picture movies on the crappiest cameras you could ever think of. And just remember, everyone starts somewhere. So don't look at other YouTubers and think you need this and that, because you don't. I first started my channel filming on my iPhone. Those videos obviously aren't there anymore. But remember, you can do anything with any piece of gear. Anyways, let's hop into the vlog so you can see what it's like to actually vlog, and I'll give you guys my tips and tricks. Alright guys, welcome to today's video. Today is going to be a little bit of a vlog today. We have our max, 1 rep max deadlift, so I'm going to try to hit 400. I don't know how that's going to go, because 3 months ago I hit like 335. I'm hoping I can. My arms are a little bit sore, like right here. But first, a little bit of editing fuel. it's the weekend. I have this morning off. I have to go into work tonight actually, and my eye is so red from allergies. I've just been being like a terrible person and like itching them a lot. But today is Saturday. It's a new day. I'm going to be filming a video today actually for a collaboration on how to vlog. So basically vlogging. It's really, really weird and complex but cool at the same time. So like the way vlogging works is it's all about the angles. It's like you need to get good angles to set your viewers like off on a track that they'll never find the end of. That was weird. I was just putting words together, but vlogging is weird. You have to get a bunch of angles. You have to make sure you have like a cohesive story to the vlog. You're doing something. You have a purpose. It's your day. You have to have a purpose for that day. So today I am going to be working on the website, getting the contact form figured out because I tested that the other day and it didn't work very well. I'm going to be creating an Excel spreadsheet, one for my clients lists and what packages they have for my website, and then the packages that I'm going to offer. Design, app building, website development, website maintenance, app maintenance, all of the above. It's going to be on that Excel spreadsheet, so when I go to clients physically and in person, I can offer them that. But the cool thing is, just recently, I got my package from Vistaprint, which if you guys know what they do, they make business cards. And this, let me get some better lighting. This, right here, is my new business card. Nate Grant, developer, designer, content creator. And then on the back, just says nategrant.com. And that is pretty sweet. That is my business card that I'm going to be able to give out to people. That'll be pretty sweet. Okay guys, so like text things like that will help you. Hold on. Alright guys, so little text on the screen will help you to learn how to vlog and to do different things. Like I said, vlogging is all about getting your own style. It's developing videos that you want to create about your life, about what you're doing in your day-to-day life. You really want to create things that are like interesting and that people are going to want to watch. Like again, it's going to be your day-to-day, so it's not going to be like super busy all the time or super fun. You're going places, all that stuff. Unless you're Casey Neistat, you're not going to be doing that all the time. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Huge shout out to my boys for collabing with me. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next video vlog and hope to see you out there vlogging. Peace.